I'm Bradley Simpson, artist, writer, and children's book illustrator. And this is how to use Microsoft's free Paint app to add story text to your self-published project. Microsoft Paint has been around since 1985 and it's free to use. In most cases, it comes by default with your PC. But if you don't have it on your computer, it's a very simple download. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the folder on your PC in which you keep your illustrations. Find the illustration you want to use, scroll down to Open With, and then select the Paint icon. The program will open with the image on the left side of the screen. You can use the scroll bar on the right side to adjust your image on the screen however you need. At the top of the page, select the capital letter A. That is your text tool. By left-clicking the mouse or finger pad and holding it, you can drag the cursor and select the space within your image in which you want to text. You can adjust the width and the length of your text box this way. In the font menu, you'll find a large selection of fonts to choose from. You can also select your font size. At this point, you can add text in a couple ways. The first way is to simply begin typing inside the space you selected. By highlighting your text, you can change the text color to whatever color or colors you choose. You can also make the background of your text opaque by clicking on the Opaque button. In this tutorial, I'll keep it transparent. The second way to add text, and most certainly the fastest way, is to simply open your Word document, select the passage you want to insert, hit Ctrl-C to copy, go back to your image in the Paint app, and then hit Ctrl-V to insert. Note, the text box automatically adjusts in size to accommodate the size of the passage you selected. When you're satisfied with your text layout, simply click anywhere on the image outside the text box, and the text will merge with your image. Just tap the floppy disk icon in the top left-hand corner of your screen to save your work. And that's pretty much it. Just repeat as needed. And don't forget, you can add titles to your work the same way.